Can I borrow a pencil? Are you kidding? You want a pencil? I'll give you a pencil.
来，把你看看抬回去。来，预备120，走。喂，120怎么回事？
Hi, my name is Chelsea. What's your favorite dinner food?
Nate, how are those chicken strips?
Fuck your chicken strips! Go. Fuck your chicken strips! Go!
Nope.
See you later, haters.
Hey guys, Caleb here. I'm 13. I'm gonna go skating with my friends today. Can't wait to do a kickflip.
Dude, I called shotgun!
Shoot! You're gonna wake up Slinky!
Okay.
Hey guys, just at a party with all my friends. Yeah, you too. Alright, that's it.
Mean to me.
Two, one.
Got a blast!
Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
Man down, where you from?
You called me out upon the wall. Who can say where the road goes, where the day...
I love you, he's a gigantic worm. Ugh. I love you so much. 大呀，盛不下呀，没球小了，盛不下。
Bro prank.
Whose man's is this? What the real question is? Whose man's am I?
Debit or credit? Go.
I do private security, industrial intel, then from government, black ops, that sort of thing. It's a crime.
It's gonna take a little time while you're waiting like a factory line.
If you were to receive a compliment from one player in the league, whose compliment would mean the most to you?
I don't really care about any of them.
So y'all see this bed? It's soft. It's comfortable. I'm about to lay down and stay down.
But when your legs don't work like they used to before.
Ricky?
My mom thinks that Joseph Gordon-Levitt looks like a Q-tip.
It's such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying. You know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying.
We're just gonna make this quick. Our discussion topic.
Having a good time, having a good time. You shouldn't stop.
Oh, where'd he go?
What are you doing for National Enrique Iglesias Day? That's not a thing. What are you doing?
Do you know what it feels like?
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever.
You wouldn't like me before my coffee. It's so weird because I fucking hate you all the time, every day.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Oh my gosh, break a leg. Whoa.
Baby, won't you come my way?
Wow, do you feel that wind?
Here's Johnny.
I'm telling you, Mom, I'm a thug. A rebellious child. My life be like, ooh, ah.
That chick's sure getting kissed.
And let me see what you have.
No! Oh my God. Guys, this is my boyfriend, Jeff.
Hey girlies, nice to meet you.
Oh, you're so hot, honey.
Babe, I'm blushing.
You can't get up.
Oh.
Dude, I thought you could do a kickflip.
I can. I did one this morning.
Laughing my fucking ass off.
Joke's on you. The Jonas Brothers can't break up. They're
Hoo-ah! Yes, 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 yes. Hoo-ah!
Don't be fucking
Rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking.
Let's use the secret entrance.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna show you. Beautiful morning. Yeah,
Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. I'm eating crazies. I'm eating crazy.
slim thick with your cute ass. Hey, I might buy you a new bag.
Chris, how old are you?
I'm 25.
Are you fucking kidding me, Chris?
Dude, what are you, like a little baby?
Stupid ass bitch.
My motto in life is, if you do on yourself, and I live by that.
If you love me, let me go.
Told you. Are you okay? Yeah.
Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay.
Say heck with diabetes. I'm having chocolate cake and drinking beer and having chocolate cake.
Good night, my little piggies.
We will never sleep, cause sleep is for the weak. We will never sleep.
We going to Instant Bros.
Cause we fancy as fuck.
We got coupons. Let me get a gourmet paninas.
Fine, I'm running away then.
You ready to come back, Brent?
Yes.
Mango, pineapple, banana, watermelon. Happy and you.